Today, we will talk about Liberty bonds, what they are, how they work. A Liberty bond is a debt obligation issued by the U.S. Department of the Treasury in conjunction with the Federal Reserve, also known as a Liberty loan. They were first issued in 1917-18 to finance the U.S. participation in World War I. Liberty bonds were launched to aid the financing of wartime military operations. Those who invested in the bonds would receive their money back, plus interest, after a certain number of years. The bonds were part of the Liberty Loan Program, a joint effort between the U.S. Treasury and the Federal Reserve System. They were promoted as a way for U.S. citizens to show their patriotic spirit and support the nation's military. The appeal of Liberty bonds was primarily to show patriotic support rather than for financial gain. They offered many Americans their first experience with investing and were available in denominations as low as $50. The interest on the bonds was exempt from taxes, except for estate or inheritance taxes. These bonds also played a role in financing the war effort. In the early 2000s, Liberty bonds re-emerged as New York municipal bonds, not federal Treasury bonds, to help rebuild Lower Manhattan in the wake of the 9/11 attacks. They were issued jointly by the New York City Housing Development Corporation and the New York State Housing Finance Agency with aid from the federal government. Here are 3 key takeaways. 1. Liberty bonds were federally issued debt obligations used to finance American participation in World War I. 2. Liberty bonds, which appeal to patriotic sentiment, offered many ordinary Americans their first experience with investments. 3. In 2002, Liberty bonds were jointly issued by the City and State of New York, with aid from the U.S. government, to rebuild Lower Manhattan neighborhoods in the wake of 9/11. Hope this would help. Thanks for watching.